we're going to continue on the module for criteria. Previously, we discussed criteria and thresholds for moisture inspections, visual, odor, and we spent a lot of time on air interpretation and what that means. In this module, however, we're going to spend a bit of time talking about surfaces and the interpretation for that and how that might come about. This might be from the IICRC standard of conditions 1, 2 and 3, coverage from the ASTM all the way from 0 to 5, and then also enumeration of counting spores and fungal structures and things like that. In this process, because we are talking about the IICRC, it has a phrase or turn of phrase called normal fungal ecology. And so what we're going to do is we're going to discuss that and what that means for a PRV and the whole life of interpreting that data. Then what we're going to talk about after that will be bacteria. From there we'll then build upon a philosophy that's called ALARP within the industrial or occupational hygiene space. ALARP stands for as low as reasonably practicable. Following this, then we're going to talk about professional judgment, because it is the professional that has to take in all of this data and the context from the project to then do a proper assessment of the analysis of the data and the findings on site. And then from that, what can also happen is the need for conditional satisfaction of a PRV, where different variables need to be considered for that may cause a project to fail or be considered for but then allowed for a successful PRV. So I look forward to sharing this with you, and I'll see you on the other side of this.